morning, boys and girls. I hope everybody's having a great day. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day, so make sure that you get outside and you play on your bike or you play some basketball. But of course, doing your homework as well. Make sure that you break up your day nicely. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Today, you guys will be working on telling time. Okay, so make sure that you look for 5-5-20. And let's get started. Okay, so today you guys are going to be working on time. So I know that you guys love elapsed time. I did just throw a few in there, and that's okay. If you guys are needing help, please have your folks text me, and we'll Zoom real quick, and then we can work on it together. Okay? All right, here we go. So write the time shown on each clock. All right. So this one's pretty self-explanatory. You guys just have to tell me what hour are we in and how many minutes have passed. Okay? Be careful on this one. That's all I'm going to say. And this one as well. Make sure that you're really paying attention to that minute hand. Okay. Now, let's look at the next one. So we have Mila started practicing the piano at 3:47 p.m. She finishes practicing the piano at 4:23 p.m. For exactly how many minutes does Mila practice the piano? Okay, so to figure this out, third graders, remember what we did beginning of the year. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of shrink this and then do a timeline underneath here. Now I'm not gonna tell you the answer, but I'm gonna get you started, okay? So here's my timeline. And you guys can make some fun noises while you make your timeline as well. Okay, so now it says Mila started practicing the piano at 3:47 p.m., right? So 3:47 is our what time? If you said our start time, you are correct. Okay, so 3:47, okay? And then she finishes practicing the piano at 4:23. Okay, so 4:23. 4:23 is our end time, right? For exactly how many minutes does Mila practice the piano? Now, they're not asking third graders for a what time did she finish? They're asking how many minutes have passed, right? Okay, so I'm going to get you started, and then I'm going to let you do the rest, okay? Remember, when we have a number like this, when we have 3:47, in class, remember we try and make this number here, our minute number, an even number or an easier number for us to work with, right? 47, it's not an easy number to work with. So I'm going to use my shark teeth. And do you guys remember, each shark tooth equals 1 minute, right? So there's 48, 49, 50, right? So again, 47, 48, 49, 50, okay? So then I always had you guys do this, do a line, and then underneath the line, I'm going to change it a different color and do 350. Okay, that's where I'm going to leave you. I want you to figure out the rest, okay? So here, third graders, we have 3 minutes that have passed. They're asking you how many minutes have passed from 3:47 to then 4:23. Use this timeline if you need to, okay? And again, if you have questions, tell your parents and they'll text me and we'll hop on real quick and I'll help you out, okay? All right. So now let's look. Oh, of course, this is going to stay on my screen. I'm going to pull this little guy down for a minute so that you guys can see this. Here we go. Okay. So the next one says Michelle came home at 3:20 p.m. She worked on her homework for 24 minutes. After she finishes her homework, she did 3 chores. It took her 23 minutes to clean her room. Make sure you guys do that today if you have time. It took her 8 minutes to feed the animals. Do that too, that's important. It took her 10 minutes to set the table. What time did she finish her homework? How long did it take her to finish her 3 chores? Okay, so third graders, there's 2 questions here. What time did she finish her homework? Okay, so you're going to write that here. What time did she finish it? Okay. Then it says, how long did it take her to finish the 3 chores? Now on this first question here, third graders, they're not asking about the chores. They're just asking about the homework. How long did it take her to finish her homework? Or what time did she finish it? Okay? How long did it take her to do the chores? Okay? So on this one, you might want to do a timeline for the homework part of it. And then on the 3 chores, you could just add up the minutes. I think that would be fine. Again, if you guys need help, let me know, okay? All right, so then on the next one, okay, on your last problem, it says start time, finish time. Which statements are true? Select two. Select two. Do you see how that's in bold? Correct answers, okay? So you're just going to put either an X or a check. Either one's fine. Henry starts his homework at 8:03. Okay. Henry finishes his homework at 1:57. Henry spent 19 minutes on homework. Henry starts his homework at 12:38. And the last one, Henry spent 29 minutes on homework. Okay. So start, finish. Again, this might be something that you have to do a timeline with. And if you guys need help, please let me know, okay? Now, when you do your timeline for this one, well, I can't really tell you what time it starts, what time it finishes. So I'm not going to do a timeline on this one because it would give you the answer, right? Okay, so I want you to go ahead and do it on your own. Again, one more time, if you need help, let me know. Okay, I think that's it for today's math lesson. Please remember to get on Prodigy, guys. I had 2 kiddos, 2 rock star kiddos. I was really proud of you guys that got on yesterday. Let's make it 10 kids that get on today. That would be a great goal. You know what? I'm not even going to say 10. I'm going to say 5. 5 kiddos. That's a great goal. So make sure you guys get on today. On Prodigy, I have posted an assignment about elapsed time, so make sure that you guys hop on and practice your elapsed time. Okay, so I will see you guys soon using Zoom. I can't wait to see you. Talk to you later. Bye!